K2-18b is an exoplanet, or planet orbiting another star, discovered in 2015 by the Kepler Space Telescope. It is located about 111 light-years from Earth and is one of the most promising candidates for habitability discovered so far. K2-18b is a super-Earth, meaning it is larger and more massive than Earth, but smaller and less massive than Neptune. It has about 8 times the mass of Earth and a radius that is 1.6 times that of Earth. K2-18b orbits in its star's habitable zone, meaning it is at a distance from its star where liquid water could exist on its surface. As we know, liquid water is considered essential for life. In 2019, astronomers used the Hubble Space Telescope to detect water vapor in the atmosphere of K2-18b. This is the first time water vapor has been detected on a super-Earth in the habitable zone. The detection of water vapor in the atmosphere of K2-18b is a major milestone in the search for habitable exoplanets. This shows that super-Earths may have atmospheres similar to Earth's in the habitable zone. K2-18b may have a rocky surface similar to Earth. It is likely to have a thick atmosphere, which could help protect it from harmful radiation from its star. The star K2-18b is a red dwarf star, much smaller and cooler than the Sun. Red dwarf stars also live much longer than Sun-like stars, meaning K2-18b could be habitable for billions of years. The presence of water vapor in K2-18b's atmosphere, its rocky surface, and its thick atmosphere make it a promising candidate for habitability. However, it is important to note that the mere presence of these elements does not confirm the existence of life on K2-18b. More research is needed to determine if K2-18b is actually habitable and if it forms any life. JWST is expected to play a major role in this research in the coming years. K2-18b is one of the most exciting exoplanets ever discovered. It is a super-Earth in its star's habitable zone, and has an atmosphere that contains water vapor. This makes it a promising candidate for habitability. JWST is expected to play a major role in future studies of K2-18b. It will be able to study the planet's atmosphere in more detail and look for other signs of habitability, such as oxygen and methane.